Good morning. I'm here to show you the basics of Remote Web Workplace and how to place your documents in the public and user folders. This is mainly for all the users that are remote of the actual office. Here you can see the login of the Remote Web Workplace with your same information you use to use your email. Once you've logged in, we'll have several areas. I'll cover them basically, and then we'll go into public and user folders. You should also log into your Gmail, Google Drive. I have Wade's up currently, and you can see I have several folders here that are shared with individuals and not. So let's go back to Remote Web Workplace. First, you'll notice we have our email, which is what we gave you a direct link to that brings up your email directly. Next, you'll see that we have a couple different shared folder options. We have public folders, which is everybody can view and see. User shares, which is going to have individuals within it, and what is called a redirect folder. If you have a PC in the office, we can set up redirects for you. Here's what we're going to go over now. We're going to take documents from our Google Drive and place them in our Remote Web public folders. So I'm just going to choose 2 documents, and now we're going to go up to the More tab, and I'm going to say download these documents. And I'm going to say the selected 2 documents and say download. Gmail is going to automatically place them in a zip and give me a link to download. Once I click on the link, you'll see I come up with an open and save. I choose to use save as, and then I'm going to go to my downloads or wherever you know the location. I'm going to say this is a public document and say save. I created those folders so it was easy for me to do. Those documents are done. Let's go back over. I'm going to place these in the public, and I'm going to place them under documents, and I'm going to say I want to upload. Preference will more than likely to be, since they are zipped from Gmail, if you did more than one document at a time, would be to unzip them first. So I'm going to extract them, and see I have the 2 documents here. I'm going to say I want to upload them, so I'll hit the browse button, go to the same location, select the document and say open. Now there's one. If I want a second one, I'll go open again, double click or select and open, and I'm going to say upload. Took a few seconds, but you can see I placed the 2 documents there. Now I'm going to go back to Remote Web Workplace and go over it again. This is public folder where we just placed those documents. Now we'll go into the user shares. Now also you can see all the different users are out there. Currently, if you're logged in as yourself, you will only be able to get into your individual folder. So I'm logged in as Wade, so I'm going to go into Wade's folder. You can see he already has documents placed in there, but I'm going to upload another one just for a test. I'm going to place the same document in there and say open. I did computers, and we'll do computer names, and now I'm going to say upload. We also have the availability to open these documents. So let's go back into the public documents again. We place them in documents, and I'm going to click and wait for it to open. Also, you can see is this document open right away. It's just like Google Drive, just a little different. Also in this we'll have the internal website, which we are going to be updating, where we'll place any major documents that need to be reviewed by anybody. This will give you the capabilities to download them, review them, or any other updates that come along.